Welcome back, guys, and welcome to the third episode of the Microsoft 365 Fundamental, the Study With Me series. As you can hear, I got some voice in the video. I haven't got the microphone yet, but I'm using my phone, see how we go. With the voice, I understand it's more engaging. So last time we left here with exploring the available licensing and management options. We went through the different subscriptions plan, and yeah, that was it. Subscription plan, a lot of them, and like I said, the most important one, obviously for the exam, all of them are important, but the most important one for us will be when we go to work, the business one. Now for this module we finished, so we should go to do the knowledge check. Let's see what we get here, and let's see if we learned something. There are only 3 questions. Let's have a look. Okay, with the cloud solution provider model, who provides your subscription? It's provided by a CSP partner, it's provided direct from Microsoft, it's provided by a retail store. I guess the first one. I am answering, but I'm not sure since I'm learning with you. I think it's the first one. Let's have a look. Which of the portals below allow modifying the payment method and frequency of a Microsoft subscription? No. Admin Center, as we've seen, there is the bill section where you can modify everything regarding the subscription, the billing. Which of the following Microsoft 365 subscription plan is designed for company with under 300 employees? So I think was a business one, because the enterprise I think was over 500. Let's have a look. Enterprise. No, one sec. So look, yeah, Microsoft Enterprise with or more. Yeah, so I guess the business. Let me have a look at the business. I think the business. No, business, they have up to 300 employees. With under 300. From small to medium that have up to 300 employees. No, I think it's okay, business. Let's have a look. Congratulations, very good. Review answer. Let's see. Yeah, so say with the class very small, use subscription provided through an expert CSP partner. Yes, yes. With under 300 employees. Okay, next. So next we got summary resources. Resources is very important to explore. Obviously, what I'm doing, I'm going through this plan that I've done with Microsoft Learn AI. And then obviously I'm gonna use other resources, external resources, just to and do some exam prep. It's very important. So in this module you learn that Microsoft is available through various subscription. Yes, some of the subscription plan available include the home, education, government, business, enterprises. Correct. Microsoft also offer pricing models for cloud services. Also offer pricing for cloud service, such as the cloud solution provider program or the enterprise agreement that we see in the first video. This option allows you to choose the model and plan that works best for your organization. Microsoft 365 products and services are available as user subscription licenses and offer option to fit your needs. Yeah. Now that you have completed this module, you should be able to describe pricing model available in Microsoft Cloud Services, Yes, we don't know the price yet, but that's not important. At the end of the, for the exam, describe the billing management features. Yes, and describe the difference between base licensing and add-on licensing. Yeah, so that was in the last video, the add-on, the base licensing. That basically when you buy a subscription, and then every user needs to have a license to access all the apps and software they need. So it's a license per user. And then the add-ons, we got the traditional add-ons and the standalone. So the traditional is when you add it to your account. If you cancel the account, the add-on goes with it. The standalone, it's a little bit like a standalone sequel of a game. So if you play the first one and then there's a second one coming out, it's the story is different, so you don't have to play the first one to play the second one. Or it can be related to a standalone DLC, completely different story compared to the main game. Yeah, so resources, use the following list of resources to learn more about the information. Let's see what happens if we say solution provider. Yeah, it would be nice if it opens. Enterprise agreement, compare Microsoft plans formerly off. Yeah, because before was called Office 365. Education, government, open? No. Compare Microsoft Enterprise plan. So this is all the CSP provider. Let's see if there is something that I know. Some Hanson Group, Cloud Unity. Actually, I don't, none of them. If we go on this one, right. Alright, so okay, I can say that we can conclude the module. Very good. Module assessment passed. Give it a great work. Nice. Describe support offering for Microsoft services. If we want to add to the plan. Otherwise, introduction to Microsoft Search. Get started with FinOps. No, I don't know this stuff. Well, there is quite a bit that we have to go through anyway, so let's alright, so this was the first little module for the plan, which was the first milestone. Now we're starting this one. Okay, let's start. But the product, you can rely on easy to access support option to come to Microsoft to help organization remain productive and efficient. Microsoft service also guarantee level of services. When you need help with using Microsoft, create a view. Support request in the admin center. Yes. Bye-bye. Let's go ahead. Basically this one is this module is how to ask for support. There is a video as well we're not going to watch. So basically this one, because I already know this part, This one is when you have a subscription with Microsoft 365. Obviously, depending on your subscription, on your level of subscription, you can access support as well, like technical support. And this page is about all the different tools and different type of support that they can give you. So yeah, we go support from the community. See here, your organization can receive app via Microsoft 365 Admin Center by using the Help Support button. If the recommended instruction or don't answer your question, then you can contact the technical support. So they have a page as well. You can email them, phone them. There is Fast Track as well. There is a service that helps customers onboard Microsoft Cloud solution and drive user adoption. And no extra cost. Okay. And then other support option. There's also the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. This is very important if you have a problem with Microsoft Office. It's a little bit like window troubleshooting, the tool in Windows 11 or Windows 10. They help you to troubleshoot if you have a problem with Office, Microsoft 365 or Outlooks. Outlooks has a lot of problems usually. That can be very helpful. And here is how to create a support request. Help and support, yeah. This is a walkthrough. Obviously, I'm not going to take any notes about it because I think it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay. That's pretty important. This talking about SLA, service level agreement concept. So we put it here. Service level. Okay. Make it a little bit bigger. It's vital the organization know that the product and services they are using are reliable and secure. So Microsoft 365 services guarantees level of service for your organization. Level of service detailed in a legal agreement referred to as service level agreement. Yeah, the SLA describes Microsoft's commitment for uptime and connectivity for Microsoft Online services. You can view and download the current and archived edition of SLA for online services. In addition to Microsoft Online Services level agreement, your organization can also take advantage of the service level agreement with your cloud service provider. The guarantees of service provided for Microsoft 365 service will vary between cloud service providers. So service different concepts. Service level, the performance metrics set for in SLA that Microsoft agreed to meet in the delivery of the services. Incident, uptime, downtime. Well, this one is the total time that your service will be down. Obviously, the opposite of uptime. The scheduled downtime, yeah, for how long the service will be down. They can reschedule for maintenance. A claim incident. Total feedback by you for a service that are applied to the month. Okay. service credit, uptime agreement. The uptime agreement is defined by the monthly uptime percentage. So Microsoft is confident in its commitment to service level. So the percentage of service credit your organization can receive is linked to your monthly uptime percent. For example, if downtime has resulted in a monthly uptime percentage lower than 95%, the monthly uptime percentage and corresponding service credit depend on the service, which is defined SLA. Yeah. So if you have a monthly uptime of less than 99.99%, you got 25% credit. Less than 99, 50%. So it's quite serious, because obviously if your business, when you have a business, you have a big business, it's big enterprise, big company, and they use Microsoft or whatever service they use, whatever service provider, cloud provider, all of them have this service, this SLA, service level agreement. So basically what it is that your cloud provider, service provider, need to guarantee you that your uptime will be at least 99% in the whole year. It also, if there is an incident, if there is a problem, the service level agreement, in the service level agreement, I don't know how to explain, but when you do a contract, let's say in this case is Microsoft, so when you do a contract with Microsoft, in their SLA they have to guarantee that if there is a problem with your services or the service in general, they have to fix it in a reasonable time. So yeah, the support is guaranteed. In case of the downtime of the service too long, you get credit. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's easy, but when you understand, it's easy but hard to understand. But when you understand, you get there. Your organization should always review all service level and ask questions, include the following. So this whole question basically this whole question that you can ask when you sign a contract. So what can we get here? Let's get this part. I don't care about the link. Get this little part here, and then yeah, so basically you have the SLA with the Microsoft and the SLA with the cloud service provider. The concepts are important as well. So what happens if I do this? Right, but it's okay. Okay, I think that for this video will be okay. That's identity, how to track the service self status. See if your service is up and running, has no issues. I'll say we'll do next time. Yeah, there's not much notes here, but basically what we have done so far, what we see, and we done a little knowledge test of the first module, and then we had a look at the support, how to ask for support if you are a Microsoft 365 client. So there's different type of support, and yeah, how to ask for support or how to create a support ticket in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And then we had a look at some SLA, service level agreement. I would say to have a look more in depth in SLA, about SLA, not just because of the X, but it could be useful anyway. All right, so that's it for the moment, and I will see you in the next video. If you like the video, if you wanna, keep hanging around, maybe subscribe if you want, or yeah, leave a like or with a little bell so you'll know when the next video is up. Thank you.